I'm from Elmhurst, and we use Smart Building to reside our house, and we couldn't be happier with how it turned out. Mark was fantastic from the proposal phase all the way through to helping us come up with a design that we felt comfortable with, making recommendations on color choices, and finally making sure that every step of the way we were informed with when the workers would be on site, what they would be doing, and if there was ever a problem, Mark was just a phone call away. We really enjoyed our experience with Smart Builders.